Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Aishwarya Vangra from IT Department of Zeal College of Engineering. My team members are
My name is Samruddhi Kopde.
Hello, myself Rutuja Javekar from IT Department of Zeal College of Engineering.
Hello everyone, I am Uday Khune from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, 3rd year IT department.
we worked under the guidance of Professor Ankita Patel ma'am. Our project is to build a simple chatbot using Python.
Hello everyone, it's Uday Khune here. Here we are going to explain our project Chatbot using Python. So let's begin. Here we are using Python IDE PyCharm 3.9 and we are developing a chatbot using Python. Now I'm going to run this code. So he is asking you for responses input. If you type here hi, hello, as I said, like here, let's type here hi. It will respond you hello as we already predefined it. So if you say how are you doing, and it's saying like I am doing fine and you. So we already said predefined here some long responses like what are you eating or something. Let's try it to type it. And it's responding you like I don't like eating anything because I am a bot obviously. And this is how it works. This is our code overall. Thank you.